guys, how's it going? My name is Brock, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech wireless keyboard number K360. So this is what it looks like. It's a wireless keyboard. I'm going to put this on my computer. I got a new monitor, so I'm going to hook it all up and unbox this. Let's see, on the back there's some more stuff. Some pictures. So let's open this up and see what it looks like. So here's what's inside the box. There's a getting started packet, and then some important information. But I will probably never read these because they're not important. So here's the keyboard. So here it is. You can see it's got a full keyboard, and then it's also got the number pad over here, some volume controls, on and off switch, and some video playing controls or music. On the back it's got two flip up things so you can have it angled on your desk when you're typing. Let's see, it wants you to pull this. So there's the batteries. This is wireless. So you got the batteries. It comes pre-installed with two Duracell AA batteries. Now as you can see here, it comes with this receiver. It's called a unifying receiver. This works for several Logitech products. So you can connect this, which the keyboard, and I also have this Logitech wireless mouse. You can plug that into your computer, and they will both run off of the same receiver, so you don't have to have two separate ports being used. So this is what my new desk will look like. I'll have one monitor here, the keyboard, the mouse, and then my computer over there, which I won't be using the screen or the keyboard on it anymore, and except for when I'm leaving the house. So thanks for watching, and see you later. You got the Sony PlayStation logo. Show you how to put pictures on your project.